is another delivery for a client. These are the evacuated glass tubes. Evacuated glass tube. This is delivery. For customer purpose. Efficiency and savings, working day and night. We bring precision. This is glass tubes, about 15 cartons. You can see. These are the solar water heater brackets. This is the leg. And we have the tanks. They're still bringing more. More are still coming. Go and get this one. RODOTREP integrated. Standing strong. With solar, you can't go wrong. So now, bring another side. Yeah, that side. Bring that long one. Don't delay. Yes. So in loading, so now like you have to be very, very careful because of the tools. We're here for you. Reliable, tried and true. Sunshine's the power. The future is bright. Our team's full of skill. We'll do it just right. No more high bills. No cold water fears. With RODOTREP, enjoy one for years.
Eh, monkey, I come to sorry.
Call us today, let's make it real. No. That's small. No, no one's being the ultimate deal. RODOTREP integrated. The name you trust. Solar powered heating. Call us today, let's make it real. RODOTREP service. The ultimate deal. Hello. RODOTREP integrated. Standing strong. With solar, you can't go wrong. Hot water flowing, heat away. Call us now, don't delay. Alright, wait. Let's get something to pan this thing so that this thing doesn't hit this directly. Okay? Get something. So Miss Polly, get us cartons.
Carton, whole carton. Enjoy, Baya? Yeah, that's right.
We have 7 units. Here we have 5 units here. Then there is 2 units inside, as you can see. So here are the tubes, the counters of the tubes. Alright. Alright, my name is Ebenezer Okoye, Benny Solar Water Heater. This is delivery. One of my clients bought this. This SOLWAH solar water heater, about 7 units, is one of our distributors who bought and want to sell. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen to quote as regards SOLWAH solar water heater. Once again, my name is Ebenezer Okoye of RODOTREP Integrated Services Limited. We are RODOTREP and we're very good at what we do. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen. Thank you. This is the auxiliary heating element. Why we have this is the controller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another one. Driver, come and get the other one. But here are the seals. Okay. But please, don't forget this is 7. So we have the 7 units, and this is the vehicle. And here we have our driver, the logistic man. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. Your money is safe with us. We are RODOTREP. We deliver. Give us your money. Rest assured, you get your delivery. Once again, my name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater of RODOTREP Integrated Services Limited. We are RODOTREP and we are good. safe journey. Are you moving this night? Okay. Then I will call you.
A better living plaza, we're here for you. RODOTREP, reliable, tried and true. Sunshine's the power, the future is bright. Our team's full of skill, we'll do it just right.